Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest software update on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first off we need to click into our settings app. Then from here we want to scroll down to pretty much near the bottom of the page. And where it says software update, download, install, go ahead and click onto that. It could be, depending what Android device you're on, it might be under About Phone. So click into About Phone. And if there is an update button, go ahead and click on Update. Or it could also be where it says software update, as it does on my phone. So click on software update. And then it'll give you some stats here. So download and install. Last checked on the 19th of February 2025. I'm making this video on the 19th of February 2025. Using mobile data download may result in additional charges, so recommend using Wi-Fi is recommended to save on your mobile data. If you're not connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can go ahead and click on toggle that button on, so auto download over Wi-Fi, so you can download the software updates automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi. Say when you're at work and you want to get home and use your home's internet Wi-Fi. In saying that, from here we want to click on download and install. Now it's going to say checking for updates. So give that a few moments to do its thing. And if you're like me and it says software update, your software is up to date and it gives you the update information here. If you need an update, it will say something along the lines, download and install the update.